welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be trying out the highlight kit. Once you put this on your hair turns white. Yeah, I've never tried it before, and as you can see I have had my hair highlighted but it's growing out. We obviously want to make it highlight, so we need to do that thing where they do the what's inside. Looks scary. Okay, so they give you a brush, because I think at the hairdresser they would usually like go in between like this. Okay, maybe we can work it out. Oh. I think you're supposed to put your hair through this. They give you this and some gloves. I've seen this online, but I've never actually tried it. And then you gotta put the hook in, hook the hair, and hook it out. Okay, we can read the instructions on that one. And then they give you cream peroxide, a gentle cream base, pH balance salon approved. Don't know what the hell that is. Looks scary. It's like a cough medicine bottle. And then the bleach powder, which I'm most scared about. Because once you put this on your hair turns white. And that's all. Let's go try it out. Oh. This cap is really hard to use. It's taking me long to do this. It's like pulling out half my hair. Okay, so we're gonna make our own tinfoil thing like how they do in the hairdressers. So literally just cut the box, and then we'll use a straight edge. And then literally just use normal tinfoil, cut it into strips.
Bruh.
I don't even know if they use actual tinfoil in the hairdressers, but anyway. And then we're gonna put our gloves on because now we're gonna be working with the peroxide. So we can pour it in. I'm not gonna pour all of it into here because this is like meant to be for people who are doing their whole hair. I'm literally just doing my roots. So I'm just gonna do maybe half of it.
Bruh.
Okay, so it says pour all of this and all of the powder together. Another spoon. tonight because I did it later. But we're gonna check. This is like longer. That's a kiss.
He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Did your pretty face see what he's worth? Sorry girl, but you missed out. Well, tough luck, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends, and this is how the story ends.
A little bit orange. Not gonna lie. It's orange. It's orange. Which is reduces brassy tone. It's almost like a purple shampoo, so I'm gonna try it. Purple conditioner, but I'm gonna try this as shampoo because I don't know what else to do, and this is my last result. And I think I'm gonna leave it in for a bit. I don't know if it'll help. I just hope something happens. So update on my hair. I'm orange. Yeah. So we're gonna go to the hairdresser and fix it because I have work tomorrow.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all.
They gave me this one, and this is for the conditioner for color. It is sculpted hair with thicker hair. Revitalized thickening shampoo. So it's supposed to make your hair thicker. Hopefully these will work.
Train. Every stop I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name.